gentlemen, good morning, bonjour. Buenos dias, your captain speaking. We are here just starting the de-ice, and we are very fast one. Then we're gonna continue to our flight. Punta Cana today is 4 hours and 24 minutes. We're expecting good weather route. Maybe some turbulence due to strong winds. And then this, that's why I strongly recommend you that even with the fasten belt signs off, that you keep your seat belt fastened while you're seated. The weather for Punta Cana for arrival, okay, just a few clouds, temperature around 30 degrees Celsius. Before we start our descent towards Punta Cana, I'll be back to you with update time of arrival and weather. Thank you, gracias. Merci, vamos arriba.